Welcome. In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device using your PIN code. So first thing I want to briefly mention is that you're trying to enter your personal PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code. I want to mention it before because they are usually mistaken for each other. So if you know that you're trying to enter the right PIN code, but it doesn't work here in the normal mode, then you should go to the safe mode in order to disable the third-party applications running in the background that may affect your signing in process, and also to make your phone work better and be more responsive. Okay, so first of all, hold down the volume up key and the power button for a second, then select restart, and once you see the REALME logo on the screen, start holding the volume down key and hold it down right until your phone boots up into the safe mode. Okay, so right now we have to wait. So once you are in a safe mode, you will see an indicator like this in the bottom left corner of your screen, and right here you can try to enter the PIN code again. And if you succeed, then go to settings, select security and privacy, then select device unlock, then select screen lock, enter your PIN code again, and then select turn off password and confirm. And then press power button with volume up key again and select restart and wait until your phone reboots. And now you will be able to regain access to your phone normally. And if this didn't help, if you weren't able to access your device in the safe mode, then the first option that you should consider is contacting the REALME customer support service, telling them about your issue, and in case you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you regain access to your device. Now, if you can't do this for some reason, then the only option available for you is performing a factory reset operation. Now, performing a factory reset operation will remove all data from your device, but it will certainly let you recover the access. And you can do this remotely if you have a Google account connected to your device, and so you didn't disable the Find My Device feature on your phone. Then you should simply enter the Find Hub website by Google. Then on the Find Hub website, use the Google email address that you used to to set up this phone, and log in. Then on the list of devices, select this REALME smartphone and then select factory reset. And after a factory reset is complete, you'll be able to set up your device as a new one. And if you can do that, then the other option is to perform a factory reset locally. You can do this using recovery mode on your smartphone. If you don't know how to do this, how to navigate in into recovery mode, if you don't know how to access it, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining this process step by step. So if you need that video, go ahead and check out how to factory reset REALME GT Neo 5 using recovery mode on our channel. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.